Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect headphones in Zoom meeting. If you want clearer audio during a Zoom call, connecting your headphones is a simple way to improve both sound quality and focus. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to select your headphones directly inside Zoom so your meeting audio plays through the correct device. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully launched and ready to use before moving on. If your headphones are already plugged in, that can help Zoom detect them more quickly, but if not, you'll still be able to connect them in just a moment. Once Zoom is open, go ahead and open a sample meeting. This can be any active meeting window where you can access the meeting controls. The important thing is to be inside the Zoom meeting screen, because that's where the audio settings you need will appear. Now look toward the lower left corner of the meeting window and find the audio control. This is the area where Zoom lets you manage your microphone and speaker settings. Click on the audio option to make sure you're focused on the correct control area. Next, click the small upward-facing arrow next to the audio button. This arrow opens a menu with additional audio choices. It's a useful shortcut because it gives you quick access to your available speaker and microphone devices without needing to open the full settings menu. At this point, once your headphones are inserted into your laptop or desktop computer, the headphone option should appear in this list. Zoom will usually recognize the device automatically and display it as an available audio output. When you see your headphones listed, select them from the menu. After selecting them, your meeting audio should route through your headphones instead of your computer speakers. If you do not see the headphones right away, give the device a moment to register and make sure it is properly plugged in. In some cases, unplugging and reconnecting the headphones can help the device appear in Zoom's audio list. And that's it. You've now connected your headphones in a Zoom meeting. Using this method can make it easier to hear participants clearly and reduce background distractions during calls. Thanks for following along, and you're all set to use your headphones in Zoom.